chicken club sandwich. Ingredients: 2 bacon strips, 3 slices white bread, 100 grams roast chicken breast, sliced, 1 tomato, sliced, 1 slice Emmental cheese, 2 lettuce leaves, 1 teaspoon mayonnaise. Directions: dry fry the bacon until crisp. Toast the slices of white bread. Slice the roast chicken breast and tomato. Butter 1 slice toast, top with an Emmental slice, half the chicken, a tomato slice, and a lettuce leaf. Spread half a teaspoon mayo on the next slice of toast and lay mayo-side down on the lettuce. Repeat, omitting the cheese and adding the bacon before the lettuce. Spread half a teaspoon mayo on the last slice, place mayoside down. Cut the sandwich into quarters, securing each quarter with a toothpick.